In this video, we will run the solution and we'll see does it actually creates the calendar events as per the test data over here. So there are total 10 record in test data. So that should create a 10 different events in the calendar when we run this solution. Yeah, and before starting, this is the Google account which I have created. So this is the fresh account which I have created with this ID. And you can see there are already some existing calendar events over here which are there, but we are deleting that in the solution before basically inserting a new calendar event. So that happens in a runtime. So these will be deleted first before inserting a new event. So we'll see how that happens in runtime, and and the logs can be captured in console. So I will run the solution now. Yeah, the solution has started, and you can see the credential file has been saved, and it found a total 10 existing upcoming events, and it is deleting upcoming events one by one, and also capturing the IDs as well, and also have started creating new events, and also have given the link basically for the calendar event. And at last, once the all event has been added, it just displayed the list of all the events one by one. So there are total 10 events with date of 15 July and with different time zones. And all this data is matching with the test data which we have given. Yeah, and now this again, if you can see here, we can see the events, all events are displayed here. But now how we'll come to know whether it actually deletes this event and creates the event. So for that, we can debug the test. So let me exit this run, and I will add debug point at various stages. Okay, so yeah, so I will add debug point here basically just before starting inserting new calendar events. So by that time when the code will reach here, all the events would have been deleted. So we can cross check that with UI as well. Though we are printing that on console, but we'll check that with actual UI in actual UI. And again, I will add a checkpoint here as well. Basically, by this time, event all the event would have been created once the code reaches here. So I've added a checkpoint at the two different ends. So now I will run this solution, and once the solution will delete, will come here and we'll see whether events has been actually deleted or not. Yeah, the execution has been started. It created the credential file. And again, you can see it found 10 existing upcoming events, and it is deleting all events one by one, and also printing the event IDs as well. So all the event has been deleted successfully because we have reached here at our breakpoint. Now we'll go here in the calendar and we'll just refresh the calendar, and you can see all the event has been deleted. I'm just clicking on more, but I cannot see any of the events or here. I can see all the event has been deleted. Now I will run the next part where we are basically inserting the calendar events. So I will just continue this run, and here you can see it started creating calendar events, and it is basically printing the log one by one also, and it is giving the URL also of that particular calendar event. And you can see that 10 calendar events has been created. We'll just go to the uh, uh, account and we'll see yeah, you can see all the event has been created here, all the 10 events has been created here on the UI, and also it has been printed in log as well. So now I will run the last part where basically we verify through API as well, like whether all the event we display all the event which has been created through API as well. So I will just run last part, and here you can see it displays like below is the list of events, upcoming events, and you can see the 10 events has been created and with the date of 15 and with different times, and that also is matching with our test data. Yeah, so this is the log also we are maintaining for this particular run. Yeah, this is for the test run. Thank you.